response. 5-speed forward and 4-speed reverse mechanical transmission, combined with hydraulic power steering, increases efficiency by 30% in complex working
Efficient
conditions.
engineering, dual engine attack,
leveling, or powerful
Peng
pushing,
Wang Group
you're in
launches
full
to
control.
new 170
Steel
horsepower
shelter,
bulldozers.
ultimate driving.
HW17DH-GE hydrostatic type
vibration
and
reduction,
HW17DT-GL
rear mounted air
Super-Wetland
and
type
rapid temperature control are all included.
This
HW17DH-GE
hydrostatic
bulldozer and water
which has an
intrusion
electronically
and
controlled
environmental
engine
interference,
plus dual
ensuring
circuit
a
hydrostatic
consistently
drive,
comfortable cabin
strong
environment.
power, low fuel
Perpetual
consumption,
motion and easily
maintenance
meets the
revolution.
national for emission
Fully
standard.
open side guards
The
allow
original
easy access to
hydrostatic
core
four-wheel
components.
drive system allows
External
for
valve
flexible
block plus
steering
centralized
under load
filter element
and enables
layout
you
turns
on the
maintenance
spot with a
efficiency
minimum
by 40%
turning radius with a body of steel.
Full screen
We create a world
intelligent
of perpetual
display
motion
and control.
HW17DT-GL
HW17DT-GL
reshaping the
control.
wetland boundary.
Eco energy saving.
Forbidden zone.
Automatic